when the night has come.
We are here to celebrate not only their commitment to each other, but also to all of you, their beautiful, vibrant, chosen community, right here in Brooklyn.
No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky that we look upon should crumble,
The place where Jordan and Barry built their life together, their home, and their love story.
I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand.
I promise to love you deeply. I am here and will always be by your side. When life gets complicated, when we can't see what's next, and when we hit a bump, I'm here for it all.
I promise to find joy in our everyday chaos and to be your partner in every adventure.
So everybody say love. By the power vested in me in the state of New York, it gives me great pleasure to pronounce you as husbands together. You may now kiss your dude.